Do you ever feel overwhelmed by writing emails, reports, or documents? Wish there was a way to get it all done in minutes instead of hours? Well, stick around, because in this video, I'm sharing how you can use ChatGPT to effortlessly create professional emails, detailed reports, and so much more, with just a few simple prompts. Welcome back to the channel, where we simplify your life with the latest tools and strategies for productivity and success. Today, we're focusing on ChatGPT, an amazing tool that can save you hours on writing tasks. Imagine being able to write an email, a detailed report, or even brainstorm creative ideas, all in minutes. Let's start with emails. Whether it's for work, a client, or a personal connection, ChatGPT makes writing emails easy and fast. Here are some examples you can try straight away. 1. Write a polite email to a client requesting feedback on a recent project. 2. Draft a professional email to my boss requesting an extension on a deadline. 3. Write a casual email to a friend inviting them to a weekend getaway. Once you input your request, ChatGPT generates a polished response. You can even refine it by adding specific tones. 1. Make the email sound friendly and enthusiastic. 2. Keep the email formal and concise. Quick tip: mention any key details, like deadlines or specific questions, to make your email even more effective. Next, let's talk reports. These can be intimidating, but ChatGPT makes it a breeze. Here are a few examples to show its power. 1. Create a 500-word report summarizing the economic impact of remote work, with 3 supporting examples. 2. Draft a project status report for a client, including completed tasks, upcoming milestones, and challenges. 3. Write a 300-word report on the environmental benefits of electric vehicles, using bullet points. ChatGPT can even format your content to make it visually appealing. You can ask for 1. Headings and subheadings for better structure. 2. Bullet points or numbered lists for clarity. 3. Summaries or conclusions to wrap things up neatly. Tip: use ChatGPT for rough drafts, then refine them with your personal touch to make them truly stand out. ChatGPT is incredibly versatile and goes way beyond emails and reports. Here are just a few more ways to use it. Brainstorming ideas. 1. Give me 10 blog post ideas about productivity tools. 2. Suggest 5 catchy titles for a YouTube video about saving time. Writing proposals. 1. Draft a business proposal for a startup seeking funding for an eco-friendly product line. 2. Write a collaboration proposal email to a potential partner. Creating summaries. 1. Summarize this article about digital marketing trends in 150 words. 2. Condense this 1,000-word document into a concise, 3-bullet summary. And don't forget, ChatGPT can also help with creative tasks like drafting LinkedIn posts, social media captions, or even personal to-do lists. Are you finding these tips useful? If you are, please hit the like button and subscribe for more insights into the AI tools that simplify your work and save you time. The secret to getting great results with ChatGPT lies in your prompts. Here's a proven formula to follow. Define your goal clearly. Start with what you want, like write an email or draft a report. Include details. Be specific about the purpose, tone, and format. Add context if needed. For example, mention the target audience, word count, or style. Here are some more examples to help you master prompts. 1. Write a 200-word cover letter for a marketing job, highlighting creativity and results. 2. Generate a summary of a TED Talk on leadership, emphasizing the key takeaways. 3. Draft a friendly thank you email after a job interview. The clearer your instructions, the better the output. Let's recap. ChatGPT can 1. Save you time by drafting emails in seconds. 2. Simplify report writing with structured drafts. 3. Help you brainstorm, summarize, and tackle creative tasks effortlessly. All it takes is crafting a clear prompt, and you're ready to go. Try it for yourself and see the results. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. What will you try first with ChatGPT, emails, reports, or something else? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.